is the story of me carpooling with a bunch of strangers for the first time.
Our stories. We want our stories heard.
As much as I'd love to tell you that story, right now there's another story that needs to be told because it's been haunting my mind and this channel, and it happened exactly 1 year ago today. This is the story that happened in Hong Kong, so this will be interrupting our Canadian series for a bit. Sai Kung is an amazingly beautiful place, and the whole point of this video is to show you and help you get to the place and show you what it's like and maybe inspire you to come here, because you have to. If you can, you have to at least once try it. Just trust me. Like all great adventures, our journey begins here at this McDonald's, because right in front of it is a gathering place for this bus stop, which is kind of unassuming actually, but you'll know you're there because you'll see this posted outside on a post, and it tells you the schedule for the bus, and it's first come first serve. It's a little tiny one. Did I say tiny? I meant white, because in Hong Kong I'm used to seeing the ones with the green tops or the red tops, like here. I'm glad that you recognized it. I would just walk past it.
No, I saw that there were so many people wearing this.
Yeah. Alhamdulillah, have you here? Oh, I totally would have just looked for a green red bus. Oh man, Arhuzo, man, you went too quick. How'd you get to that McDonald's, man? Okay, let me take it back a bit. So you'll notice this building near the area, and that's closer to McDonald's. Once you find that, just follow this path that I'm going at. If you don't know, or if you want to prepare ahead of time, just pay attention to the streets on your way from the bus. So you'll see the McDonald's closer to the terminal. Of course, you could just ask people. I could go into detail about this, but I don't think it's too difficult because these places are just on the side of the main road. Or close enough. We made it, and really timely, not even getting lost. Yeah, alhamdulillah. And got food, had time to spare to get food. Yeah. This is the thing I need to take a picture of. From here on out, it's a pretty long trail until we hit the beach. So you'll want to come with a lot of water, some snacks, light snacks, and the camera because the view is so beautiful, and that's what makes it take longer. Visiting some of the world. An ode to Hong Kong. You are so damn beautiful. How can I pack you up and take you home? is this amazingly beautiful peninsula in Hong Kong that looks like it was ripped straight from a travel magazine, and you'll see why very soon. And maybe you can already see that from the beginning. And for the purpose of today, we'll be sticking on the McDonald's Trail, which follows the coastline. And it's pretty long, and there's like along the route unmarked places that lead to waterfalls that unfortunately we didn't see, but we did see something better, and we'll see that along our way to Hampton Beach. I really think it's that way, not because I like downhills, but because I think I remember reading that it's mostly a downhill hike. Every time I go hiking in Hong Kong, I'm always so excited to see the views, but at the same time, I'm always wondering, why am I doing this to myself? It's physically strenuous. I don't know how people do it, and I don't know how older people can walk faster than me, or how my friend here is walking around in sandals. But it's one thing I haven't been able to overcome yet. What is it? It's just
Dirty water.
Just dirty water. What did they see that they have to stop? But my curiosity of the world and my love of exploring keeps me going. We're at Taiwan Village. Earlier this year, there was a huge typhoon, Typhoon Mangkhut. And though that was months ago, you can still see its effects in many places. I remembered this as I was going through the village. It made me wonder how the people who lived here fared. There's No. For me, I'm surprised. I'm surprised in my way of handling a lot of problems. Like, I just assumed I would be safe. I was like, I'm gonna be safe, inshallah. And I was.
It's okay, you can make everything yourself, but how?
You see, look, this is really, it's more and more abandoned. There are many places in Hong Kong where you see like fallen trees and debris. Even in this video here in the previous, I'll show the link here. You'll see that the trail itself still had trees blocking the path. Expanding before my eyes. Woo. Do you know that feeling when you're like shook to the core? Well, that's what I'm feeling here at this place. And it's huge, it's amazing, and I'm pretty sure on my right there's a cave. midway of the hike, we make it here, and it's just so beautiful. Look, it's just expanding. I don't know, it doesn't look so beautiful in the camera, but this is really beautiful. So beautiful. It's amazing. So I got a drone for cheap off the market, and I'm trying to learn how to fly it, but the wind is pulling it away from me. Help. Fight. Round 2. Is this it for our brave hero, or will she at least see the water? By what unknown beach?
Don't you think it's weird that sometimes you go to a place that you're never going to visit anymore in your whole life?
Oh wow.
Sometimes I think about it when I'm alone and then I think, no.
Oh. And there's more right over there. But this cannot be the beach that we're looking for, because the beach we're looking for should be prettier.
Yeah, really? More pretty?
I hope, because why else was it talked so highly of?
Yeah. I think this is already very pretty.
It is, but then there's
Compared
garbage.
to the Belgian beach.
Oh. guess you could consider this foreshadowing for when we went to Suicide Cliff together and we had to climb. I can't believe we just did that. If I looked back, I probably would. No, that's a separate trail. Not Cobos, that's where some people start from. So we don't need to go up. Okay, so we couldn't find waterfalls and get the chance to like jump in them and swim. Not like I could swim anyways, but you know, I'm not bitter about that. But we did see cows. Right there too. Have you ever seen a cow model for you? There's a sign that says Hampton is where we just came from. He's crossing the bridge.
Oh my god, this is so funny.
We didn't see waterfalls, but we did see a cow crossing a thin bridge. So who's winning now?
Only in Hong Kong.
Only in Hong Kong, truly. It's waiting for us, maybe. Let's move back. Maybe it's not moving because we're here.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
It's stuck because of the cow.
Why are they going that side?
It's the wrong way. Let's go. Fine. If you ever need to get the time, they have a sundial here. What is this thing? This is not what I thought what a sundial would look like.
A girl and her bag will never be parted.
You're right. It feels like you can just jump in. Like it's all surrounded. It's blue. Oh. Can I say something? Yeah. So every time I go hiking in Hong Kong, I'm always wondering why do I do this because it's so difficult. But then this happens. This is so beautiful. We can't even believe it's real. One thing I learned from Hong Kong is that no matter what age you're at, you gotta do something good for your body and soul. So hiking does that for both. I really appreciate how Hong Kongers really care for their health and their well-being, and it kind of inspires me to think about my own life and how I want to connect some nature and physical activity. I was gonna say strain, but I actually want to keep doing this If it means I get to see views like this, I want to keep hiking no matter how hard it is on the body. Some things the camera cannot see as well as your eyes can, and this is one of them. I'm not liking how the camera butchers the view. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Those cows be everywhere.
Yes!
I know what you're thinking. This is one step away from an accident. I had to say it. So majestic. Can I say that about water? You know, I sometimes wonder if I would prefer to just, if I died, would it be in water because I love water?
Yeah.
I mean, that's not a good thing to think about because then I'd have to be scared of all boat rides. What? What? This is so beautiful. We're not sure if this is the beach. The sign pointed at two other places. Nothing said that this was specifically Hampton, but I think we're good to stay or spend some time here. It's not too cold. For December 2nd, 30 degrees, this is doable. So warm here. It has its own little path. Who made this path? Kids? It's natural. I think it's natural. If you ever played the video game Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild,
No, I never.
this is what I imagine like the mountains are in the game. Breath of the Wild is probably my motivation for seeing the world. You see, there are restaurants back here, and from there you can purchase tickets for the speedboat, and I think it's only cash. So make sure to take cash with you if you want to take a ride back. And the rides end really early, I think like 4 or 5 o'clock, so you need to plan this ahead of time if you want to take that speedboat back, and I highly recommend it because it was really fun. Who would have thought I'd be here December at the freaking beach? December 30 degrees, December 2nd, you know.
Look, you see it everywhere.
Mute what? No, the green one. got off at the wrong pier from the boat. It's kind of strange because they were complaining about military boats diverting the regular traffic or the regular path that we're supposed to get off of. So now we are at Shek Pier. Shek Pier. We're gonna figure out how to get back, but it was quite an adventure. Some of you know that I always make time, or at least try to always make time for prayer during my trips, no matter what. And so this area here by the park is where we prayed Maghrib. Then we took a bus leading to any random station because once you're in a station, you're golden. Thank you for watching up until this point. I really appreciate it. And if you liked it, please give it a like. I have more contents like this about Hong Kong and Toronto on my blog, arhazo.com. And if you want to see more, just shoot me a message. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do I look normal? That was 1 year ago exactly, and this is me today.